Sorry. Kape. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ikarari gusto ni Babang?
Opo.
Ay, Leo. Ano ka na sa Leo? Babang, pahingi ako ba? Halika, Jacob. Oh, thank you, Sir Dwayne. Sheryl, good morning. Hi, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Coffee. Let's coffee. I need somebody. Wait lang. Wait lang. Thank you. You look so. Thank you. Thank you for the.
Ay, balungan mo yun.
Thank you so much. Hello, sister. Hello, sister daw from Sir Dwayne. Hear me from Turkey. Sir Dwayne.
Parang gusto ko mamahulog ko.
Sige na.
Naingit ako sa nila. Mayabukan.
Naglukan mo yun nga si Chen sa likod ko. Alam niyo na.
Sabi ko, dahan-dahan. Paano sa ako pa naman yung istoryahan? Hindi ka magsumat kang Jared. Ayun. Nakatinong. Wala-wala sige. Hey, Sir Dwayne! Do you like turkey? I like the country.
Malmali ko. Kailangan.
Ay, super. Good morning, Fred. From Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Fred. Warren, William Warren. Hello po. I make I'm sorry, ladies. Wow. I'm so sorry.
Awanan doon. Kung ito binata ko si Dinila, naglalasing na rin. Awanan dito pingkain.
Ano kayo naghalit ng marasyal? Tuwik ko na si Carol. Si Carol na nabuha ang bagian ng rain. Keras ko sila. Nito na ako. Kanang ulo na ako.
Saan sinalaman sa sunod ka na yan?
Oo. Kaya nasa ko ang gahoyan sa lalit sa pamasyal ng lalit sa bali. Hindi yung pakampi sa mahal. Kamar ko na sila sa kanila.
Thank you, Sir
Ano pa siya
Dwayne.
sa kariyeda?
Ano yung silang po na
And Dwayne stops me. Still going, Dwayne, I never finished one day. Oh my God. Hello. The wildfire here in Colorado in the mountain, it's done burned up 90,000 acres of land. Oh my God. Be careful there, Sir William. Brazil. So where's your coffee? My coffee. My coffee is here. Okay. Thank you for the people. Thank you for the likes. William, that's a lot of age 90,000. Yes, a lot. Imagine 90,000. Oh my God. Hi, Sir Donnie. Cheers. Cheers, Sir Fred. Coffee. Coffee every morning. I think I will join you. Yes, Sir Dwayne. Coffee. I need somebody who can love me at my worst point. You won't be able to sleep, Dwayne. Yes, the side effect of coffee. He is still alive. He is still awake. He is still alive. Here in Colorado, it's a dry climate, and just about anything with a spark can start a wildfire. Oh my God. Well, Sir William, that's why double careful. Maybe keep distance to that place, something like that. Idval, hi Idval. But Colorado is very beautiful part of the US, and lots of things for it to do. Oh, lots. Good morning, mommy. Hi, daddy. Mom. Cute. I like when you're calling me mommy. Yes, good morning, mommy Shara. Good morning, Mike again. Yeah, hey, Fred and Sir Dwayne. Where's Tony? Where's our adopted son? The adopted son, oh my god. What a delicious mouth. Hey, Mike. From Sir Fred. What a young. You're young enough to be my daughter, but good morning, beautiful. You got a gorgeous face. What's the recipe look like? Huh? Tony might be in jail. Your adopted son. Our adopted son. We need to get the adopted son, or maybe he's still there because he's stubborn. That's why maybe he will behave there at the jail. Oh my god. There was a firefighter in Alpha who died from firefighting the wildfires in what got. Oh my god. I need somebody. Where you from? Gorgeous, I'm from America. I'm from the land of Philippines. I'm Filipina. Bicolana. Oh, I thought he was asking where I'm from. Ugh. Here in Colorado, they called some firefighters from Alaska, Texas, and a few other states to come here to help put out the wildfires. And that's good things for. That's good. That's the good. Mommy, learn how to send emoji. Oh my god, she sent me 10 this morning already. I like the emojis. Cheryl, how it was having an adopted son 32 years older than you, mommy. I want to stop. Thank you for the gift, sir. Huh? Hurry, Z Rich Bachata. Hi, thank you. Thank you for the star. And what can I say? Simply beautiful, absolutely wonderful. Thank you, Marshall Barter. Well, I still think you were beautiful, and I like it when you lean back. Lean back. Wow, kagwapa ni Campeso there. What is special about her? Leaning back, yes. What about leaning back?
Verb. Ang tawag.
Wait lang. The towel first. The towel first. Madam ganda. Video di mama ko daw. Video daw. Video daw. Kada kenapa aku burp. Mana yan? Dito ka, ayun doon sa camera. Dito ka ba? Dito. Thank you so much. Wait, I need to Gab going to school. My Gab going to school. Wait. Wait a minute, guys.
Naplancha niya dama.
Magkuha ka dito sila ng sayang. Wait lang. Pataya naman ako. Wala mo ini dito sa atin. Wait.
Yeah.
Thank you for wait
Yeah.
lang, 22. Don't mind me asking how old are you, girl? You're 20. 22. I'm turning 50s.
Kuday man si Jimamba.
Oh, oh na yun. Naplanta ang bani. Ha? Pwede na.
Halimot kong tao. Halimot tao.
Mag-ano ka na mag...
Matut na ako. Matut ako na.
Sudah. Jadi ka man mag-ibang sa dito kay makaon ka pa.
Siya pa.
So, ay mga ano yun. Ano sa daan mo?
Yes.
Ano na lang makaon? Ha? Ikaw na. Pangkalata. Ha? Ano na gusto mo? Dog?
Ang luto na.
Dito ka lang.
Sige. Gama, sapatos na ako.
Wait lang.
Maglaba ka lang, mamidyas.
Uy, ito ulos pa. Dito sa ito una na ano kami mga medyas dito. Doon sa taas, taas. God. Batang mo na dito. Wow, we're pretty. Well, thanks. Ah, thank you for the star. Thank you for the gift. Someone, she is good friend of ours. Yes, yeah. 40 again. Thanks, quiz. Thank you. Who is quiz? I thought you is quiz. What is your name? My wife is eye doctor if you need glasses. Her is, but thanks for thinking 40. Oh my god, hello. Anahita. Fine, I met. Lol, I'm not 40 like YO. Huh? That's the same girl, the same you're married, you got a good spot.
Ano yan ako na pagpatrato ni balik.
I'm married, got a gorgeous body to go with it, huh? No. What in Simo? Really close, huh? Too many passport uncles in the chat. Passport. Everyone like and subscribe. Thank you, Sir Fred. What's up? You're from the stars states, Fred. Yep. Cheryl does. Michael Ortiz. Hello. Pico's side. Don't be jealous. Huh?
Ang hinawalas.
Ano ba ito?
Ito?
Gusto pa ko yung mabaho sa diyan. Ano? Diyan. It's beautiful here. Why Philippines seems nice. Beautiful here. A lot of beautiful. Most in Cebu. Lots of beautiful there. Places. It's okay. She is a beautiful woman. Oh, thank you. Yes, but live here in Philippines with wife. I've been with for 17 years. Whoa, 17 years. My God. They look a lot like the people where I'm from, Northeast India. Oh, you're an Indian. Steve. Hi, Sir Steve. Philippine people, the nicest people I've met. I also have friends in India. Thank you, Sir Fred. I'm a nice Fred, Sir Fred. I'm a nice. Hope I'm nice. Nice seems like you have traveled. Thank you so much. Let me think if you're nice. Ah, thank you for the star. Sir Steph, let me think if you're nice. Hmm. You are super. Ah, thank you. You're the super. What is a super? Super bad. Cheryl, you are very nice. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Like I said, I'm old enough to be your dad, but I like what I see, or even your grandpa. I'm 74 years old, but you are gorgeous. I want to call you Daddy. Daddy Richard. Hello, Daddy. In Asia, I've been to Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Macau, and Thailand. I want to travel to Philippines. You will go to the Philippines, sir. What should I call you? Because I can't pronounce your name. Maybe it Krills, something like that. She has an adopted son who is 70, Richard. So, Richard, I have an adopted son, 70 years old.
Baka na ako mama sa labas.
Opo.
Tama ka. Biskit. Sa batang 80s ka, mama.
Hula. Hula. What is that? You should come here, Chris. See that? See that. I've been to Turkey. Ah, okay. Is that a no? Oh my god. Hey, Fiki Fiki. Louis, respect the house. Thank you, Sir Fred. So that. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. You can pronounce my name like Rishikesh. Ah, okay. Rishikesh. Thank you, Sir Rishikesh. Thank you so much, Sir Rishikesh, for joining the live. Okay, so Rishi means it is Rishi. Thank you, Rishi. Sir Rishi. Cash. What? So that. So that. Oh, thank you, Sir Rishikesh. Thank you for the gift. Bye-bye. Thank you, Sir Rishikesh. Have a good day. Thank you. Have a good day, sir Rishi. God bless. Excuse me. Excuse. What is the new cash? Cash? Gold coin. Someone send the gold coins. I need to watch. Bless you. Thank you, Sir Fred. Bless me. Bless you. Bless you. Hey, James from Sir Fred. My love. Good morning, James. I need to watch mine because a different I can different language here because translated than here. So that's sim. What means sim? Howdy, Fred. Morning. Morning there, Dwayne. I need to use my other phone for translation also. Yes, because here it says translation. If there's no translate, so that's why no yawning sword. No yawning. Sir Fred, 2 months. 2 months. From the, what do you mean from the Alitona? Hello, where are you from? I'm from Philippines. G, G, hi. I, huh? Just a mail, hello. What it means? Different here than this. This is a hi, but this say this. Thank you for watching, people. How are you? I'm fine. I'm alright. I'm no coffee. I'm alright. Good idea. I'm gonna make coffee too. Yes, po. Coffee. For me, coffee is my one. Coffee is life. Coffee is not your life. Rice is life. Oh, yes. Rice is. Rice. Coffee and rice. Coffee and rice. James, that's how I drink my coffee, also black. I'm almost done with bit of coffee. We all need a vice, Lou. Where are you from, my dear? I'm from Philippines. Philippines. Yes, because you are sweet enough. I need my coffee light and sweet like my wife. Wow. The host is 48, has 7 kids, 4 grandsons, one old one old adopted son, and 37 nieces and nephews. Yes, that's right. Oh, good, you look beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Justin. Don't forget the uncle's mic. Mike Luna. And have a crazy uncles living in the USA and living in the Mindanao, Philippines. Uncle Freddy, yes. Are you married? I'm married. Soon. Pretty soon. Oh my god. I was has a 7 kids, 4 grandson, one old adopted son. Yes. Yes. Uncle Dwayne Lul. Yes, uncles and a totally nuts husband soon. Uncle James. Yeah, we have lots of uncles. Uncle James, Uncle Freddy, Uncle Dwayne. What else? Um, I agree, totally nuts husband. From Sir Fred. Can you be my baby? Oh no. How I should be your baby if I have a grandson? Yeah, very good then. I will be your baby Justin from Sir Freddy. It will be okay. It will be. Can you spank me, Justin? From Sir Fred. Oh my God. Hi, my beautiful love. You say Metasityawan. Metasityawan. Excuse me. I Kwon. Oh boy, Lord. Oh my God. Are you happy there? Yes, so happy. But I'm happy, but if my love come back here, I'm very so happy. Can you stand up? Let me see you, please. You didn't see me when I'm sitting down. You don't need to stand, Justin. You don't need to stand. I already stand earlier. Maybe you can watch my videos. You will see I'm dancing, walking, something like that. And see France, hello. You disappeared. I'm disappeared. Bossy Somel disappeared. I need somebody who can love me. I'm my worst. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Are you happy there because what is that? I don't understand what you mean. Let's say. What is Aria Velasco? Thank you. I want to make you very happy. I'm so happy already. No need to do that. Don't waste time for me. Maybe you will make someone's happy, but not me. Someone's do that to me. Living in the USA, his name is Mike something. It makes me so happy. She has someone making her happy, Jose. Yes. Thank you, Sir Freddy. Hindi na makalayan. Minumulto na ako ng damdamin mo. Artie, hey Sir Artie, I'm so happy. That's good. Everybody's happy. Enjoy the life. Life is too short. Life is too short. You are very beautiful. I want you very much. Oh my God. Why people tell me I'm beautiful when morning no wash face? Are you blind? Life is short and so you are Sheryl. Fred, are you happy? I'm happy. Yes, everybody's happy, Lul. Yes, everybody's happy. Be happy. Where are you now? I'm here in the Philippines. I just saw over 65,000 more jobs cut replaced by AI. Huh? It's going to get worse here in US. Many people will lose jobs. Oh my God.
Ikaw! Tapos ka na.
Tapos ka na? Mag-toothbrush ka.
Ano na yun? Tapos na ba?
Kagwapo ni Gab.
Dati na.
Nag-toothbrush ka na?
Gabi pa.
Nag-toothbrush ka na muna.
Toothbrush ako pa. Kaligo na. Matoothbrush ulit ako.
Okay, sagot mo sila mga galing.
Brush ako 7-7 yan.
Bango! Bango ng baby ko. All over the world, Mike.
Buga. May bangsa.
Yesterday is gone. We have today and tomorrow is not guaranteed.
Oh, bakalan mo wala sang mini pan.
Mini pan ay parang gano'n. Ah, sige.
Initin sa classroom.
Ah, sige. Mabakal ako mini pan. Just so over. Oh my God. All over the world, Mike. Oh my God. You are Tagalog, yeah. No, Tagalog. I'm Bicolana. Bicol. But I speak Tagalog, something like that. But I'm not Messiah. Nice powder blue shirt. I like. Amazon got another 30,000 jobs last week. Oh my God. Looking sharp, little man. Yeah, he going to school. Thank you, Shamrock. Thank you, Shamrock, for the gift. Just wanted to say hi. Oh, thank you, Sham.
Mama.
Thank you, Sham. Going to bed now. Ah, okay. Muna din kay mabakal kita panghanda kang papa.
Saan ang birthday ni Papa?
Adire, for 14 days. Kaya doon na ako mayo ka naman. Hey Fred, I will be missing in action June 29th for a week. Midnight here. Ah, midnight there. Wait. Okay. You need to sleep, Sham. Go in bed. You need to go to sleep. Rest. Need to stay healthy. Health is wealth. Thank God I'm retired and moving to Philippines, getting out here just in time. Oh my God, double. Oh, say hi. Smile, today is Monday. Kahamot sa pabango ni Baba. Oh my God. Pagdayon. Yes. I'm excited to come back here. The hobby. Hey Fred, I will be missing in action June 29th for a week. Shamrock taker from Sir Dwayne. Thanks Dwayne from Sham. Vacation James. Keep Sheryl safe from trolls. Yes, thank you Sir James. I slept well, Sham. Good night, Sham. James, we do your best. We do our best. Yes, do our best. Marco, hello, how are you? Santa Rosa de Lima, my friend from Colombia. Thank you, Marco. No spinal surgery, getting rods in cruise. Oh my God. Sound painful. Good luck, James. Yes. Pray for your help. And safe. James, I hope everything goes well with the surgery that you meant quickly. Yes. We'll need to get it started here before rain. See you later. Thank you, Sir Freddy. Thank you, Sir Fred. Have a blessed day today. Oh my God. Why? See ya later, Uncle Freddy. Bye, Mommy Sharon. Bye, Uncle Fred. Bye. Bye, Uncle Freddy. Thank you for joining. Hey, Shella. Thank you, Shella. Thank you, Sir Fred. Bye, ma'am. Kevin. Hi, Kevin. I will be fine. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sir James. I pray for your, pray for your, what do you call this? Healthy health. Like, beautiful. Thank you for the like, Kevin. Thank you so much for the likes. Alright. Recover, yes. Pray for your fast recovery. That's what I mean. It takes 1 year to recover. It takes 1 year. It's like it's a lot too long. 1 year for recovery. Maybe you need to just stay away from makes you feel stressed, something like that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for likes. Wellington Sosa. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Pulette, welcome back, Pulette. Hector, I've got it stop and it won't go down. Hmm? Pulette, hi again. Thank you so likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the happiness and faithfulness. Yes. Ang maganda ka pala. Ay hindi. Yeah. Maganda ka pala. Hindi ako maganda. I'm not beautiful. You're welcome, caramel. The caramel. I like caramel. the caramel. My color of skin is like a caramel, something like. Me too. That's why I'm back. Huh? Today's weather forecast call for lots of hmm. Sleeping together. No. Hater real. Just wake up. Fine. Thank you, my love. My Sir Dwayne, good grab, Mike. Thank you so. No flirting with me because I'm engaged. Hey, cutie, are you? I'm not cutie. Cute. Icons. Pulets. Hi, Pulet. Because because that we only have. Huh? I need somebody who can love me on my words. Twin, they have no choice. We are here. Is it possible for me to see all of you? No, not possible. Pillets, I'm engaged. I'm getting married pretty soon. Thank you, Pillets. You are invited. Bring gift. Maybe you can advance gift, something like that. What the demanding. You are very beautiful here. You have a beautiful hair. Sorry. Wow, that diamond blinded me, lol. Where are you from? I'm from the land of Philippines. Sir James. What color is your mom? Huh? Eric, she's from the Philippines, yeah. Is it possible? No, but not possible, Marcus. Not possible. Not possible. Yes, they must send advance generous gift if want to come to wedding. Marcus, no. Thank you, my love. Very beautiful. Thank you, Shella Chocolate. I need somebody who can love me. I'm so far away when I see you. Marcus, maybe you will understand that I'm engaged. To i-stupid yung long window boss. I need somebody who can love me. I'm no words. Let's coffee lover. Excuse me. Moderator warning, no sexual questions, no comments, other get time out or banned, your choice. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Colette. Oh. Cheryl, I told Sir Dwayne it will take a little longer to visit US, but definitely coming and having second reading. Sir Dwayne will be our best man for sure. Oh, really? Oh my god. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Lovey. My handsome yummy hubby. Got it, bro. Chill out. Baliw. I forgot about bridal wedding showers. Pullets. You well invited, Pullets. Cheryl, Mike, thank you. I'd be honored. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I'm being respectful. Thank you, Pullets. I don't want to get kicked for calling you caramel. Caramel is good. No worries about calling me caramel. Just no sexual, something like that. Because one, Sir Dwayne must cut off bird for wedding. Yes, that's good. Maybe he will look handsome more. Handsome. Excuse me. Are you sure? Okay, yes. Caramel is good. Mike, I'm not sure how answer that one, Lord. No, Mike was no. Let's. I'm looking forward to it. Okay. Strong. Hello, beautiful love. Hi, Lady Alvarez. Oh, oh. Oo. Here po. Salamat po. Salamat, Philets. Thank you, Philets. I'm just cold. I'm just chilling here. Just chill. Po. Ay, tapos na. Nakakuha na ako. Oh my God. You're so late. Yes. Kasi matagal siya. Double date.
Ay, pakali ako ng ato. Kadul mo yan si.
Tapos na nakatapos pa lang agad ako.
Double dick.
Nakatapos pa lang ako didiho, tapos nagkuha naman ako singkong sa'yo. My God.
Ang double dick naman.
Dito, sa luyo. My God. Ay.
Pero may wara, pag-asa, nay. Nahuli na naman si Atos.
Oh, dati pa na si Atos. Magayon si Atos kayo.
Nagbubo ito. Tapos, kaya nga nalok ng asawa.
Oo naman.
Nalok sa babae.
Sarap man ako. Pagkatapos yung sunod ko lalo na saro-saro lang ang problema. Kaya nga ng pag-asawa dapat sa'yo lang para saro lang ang problema.
Ano lang, madulo ka.
O kaya?
Kaya na siya. Salamin na lang. Muli mo.
Ganon, salamin.
Mabait lang, madam. Tumarad lang si manang. Para marunod lang mga si classmate mo.
Salamin, yan.
Yung swing mirror, na. Ano na lang yun.
Sana man.
August ka na maghulog.
Diri ako madam. Ay, sige mo na lang yun.
Thank you. Ngayon, sa mga mo na cellphone na makalong ko na.
Ay, wait. Ano rin?
250 yan. Ang sarap na cellphone pag marakot na.
Ay, kasi may sentimental value yan.
Ako, be. Yan na, ha?
Ano ito na ano na salamin. Para may salamin kami dito. Oo, sige. Sir Dwayne, how's Mama Turtle today? Mama Turtle. Jorma will home over it if she doesn't wait to let him in. I'm not anyone let in the room because I'm protected myself. So something like that. So. Kevin, Mike, Mama Turtle had kind of a rough day today because of the hate, but it is starting to cool off. She's good, Mike. Thanks. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Where do you come from? From Philippines. Sir Dwayne Bird is his known image, the turtle man. Mike, you get it? The birded turtle man, that's me. Hey Caleb, what are you doing? Caleb doing live. How was your day? Doing fine. Our day is good. Hey Caleb, good morning sir. Hey Ricky. What's that? Question. She comes from her mother. Hello, super like Brazil. Mayong brother. Huh? Mayong aga. Mayong aga. Mayong aga. Very good bouncers you have. Are you single? I'm not single. Good morning. She's married with 7 kids. Yeah. I have 7 kids, 4 grandsons, and 1 adopted son, something like that. Oh my god. The adopted son. Practicing my Ilonggo. Practicing the Ilonggo. Yeah, but Filipinos, Ilonggo, something like that. Yes, I will follow the guidelines and I'm allowed to color caramel. Caramel is good. The guidelines. The guidelines. God bless you. You look good. Thank you, Sir Gorman Authors. The guidelines. You need to follow the guideline. How was your sleep? Sleep good. Kumusta ang tulog? The tulog is, my sleeping is good. I want to spend an evening with you. Oh my god. No. Greetings from Germany, Berlin. Hi, Estelle Hawks from Germany, Berlin. Miguel, love shout out to you. Hello from Russia. Alexon from Russia. Frank, hi. She has jowa. Yes, I have a jowa. Burst people here or else the moderators will kick you out faster than you can blink everyone. Thank you, my love, Mike. Mwah. Roar. Thank you so much. My anxiety is up hanging out here. My anxiety. Oh my god. Itching. Thank you so likes. My god, I have already 58 likes. Oh my, 2 more. 60 likes. My god. Let's pretty soon I will meet my hubby. I'm so happy. 2 months and our new journey begins. Crazy fun times coming, mahal ko. Yes. 2 months more waiting. I lost you for a minute. Now I got you back on my phone. I still think you're gorgeous and got a beautiful body. Thank you so likes. Sir Steve, thanks. Steve for through 90. Oh, Richard. Good morning, Mrs. Roller. Mrs. Sheryl. I hope your morning is beautiful. Yes, po. My morning is beautiful. Not only beautiful, but also in love. Didn't mean to make you blush too bad you're married because I seen the kid. Yeah, Raj, Raj. What do you mean, Richard? Hello, Cheryl. Excuse me.
Ay, ba iniinit ako na tubig. Nagkalagkad na ada.
Nakatunawa no kanina. Sabi, pumuyo ka lang. tapos sa likod ko, namata pa lang. Madali na yun. Yung wala pa. Dili ka magsabi, binigay pa kayo magsakon.
Sa suda ko na, ilagay sa mga.
Pumuyo. Ang siya. Ang sayo man, hindi aram ko paano magpasabot. Ayun, hindi siya sa mata. Atong dako na. Kaya tumana, wala kaintindi kay. Bawal na, siyempre. Tapos, sabi nga sa'yo, bumuyo ka. Bumuyo ka, di ka magsabi di. Ito diri na nag-istorya. Kaya yung sabi na, pumuyo ka. Good morning, Dwayne. Jeffrey, good morning.
Sabi ni Bunso, pumuyo ka.
Sabi niya, may pumuyo ka na kay istorya na. Kaya dala nga ako. Hindi ka naman sa akin, Jerry. Pumuyo ka na. Medyo may babati ako. Ay, ko na yun. Minarat. Ang sabi niya, nag-garotan ka. Ay, mo sa... Tindahan na nag-iit. Pumuyo ka. Thank you sa likes. I'd like, Richard. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I know that it 50 people in the house. Thanks a lot. Hello, beautiful Enzo. Good morning, mahal. Good morning, mahal.
Ang lawas ko.
Makulog.
Ang buntong angkar. Nakulog ang aking katawan.
Sabi ko sa'yo na harang kasi, makulog ang lakas ko. Naya sa'yo, makulog sa'yo na kayo lang pala yung sir. Oh my God, babe! Karang, oh my God. Ay, wala pala yung sir. Okay. Siyempre, mata na. Kasi makapaniwala si Mike na ano ka na. Masabi na magulong pa ako sa imo, ha?
Oh, ano ka pa na? Malapit na ako mag-senior.
Sir Dwayne, Mike, huh? It's Enzo, huh? Okay. Thank you, my love, Mike. Damn, Sir Dwayne, you've been practicing your sharpshooter skills. Mexico. Chat with me, Gcash. No. No need to chat. Just send. Mike. Mexico. Hey. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal. You look so beautiful in white, and as long as I live without you, you look so beautiful in ay, di ka nagkarigos. Ay, di ka nagkarigos. Di ka nagpasok.
Ipahilot ko sa iyo.
Maka niya, mama. Kawawa man si sister.
Sino ang
Ernesto.
Sino na sister?
Mama niya. Ernesto,
Ginusto
Vinoyo.
naman niya kasi.
May choice naman
Pwede
sila.
naman sa mag-reklamo.
Inis, oo. Inisip ko ba kayo na sila? Ano pa kung ano yan? Naisip ko dahil siyempre, inisip niya na tayo ng bata.
Kasi minsan para pagdating na kasi sa pamilya,
Dahil pa
parang
doon, oo. Kasi
Hanapin ka sa amin.
gusto mo nilang sulong.
Kasi ano yung mga duwag yan, mga kalawin yan, kaya nagamit sa ng kahinaan. Gamitin sa ng kahinaan mo. Kung diin ka mahina, yun ang panlaban nila. Ito, nagtutuka ka sa balil, tama mo. Makino ka pa sa may katinoan kasi tutukan ka balil. Asawa pa, tutukan ka balil. Maka-addict.
Dapat dito sa tinutukan parang siya ba din, di na yan nagbalik.
Maka-addict.
Swimming pa, no? Trabaho.
Ha?
Swimming trabaho.
May, ata ang bot, wala pa na si Jerome.
Magbarkada sila, magkaraklase sila.
Pero talaga.
Soltero eh, pero mga soltero. Pag nag-asawa na,
Sabi ba ganiya,
sulitin.
sulitin ko na kayo. Si Mama, 25 na ako, pwede na ba ako susundo?
Sino ang nagsabi?
25 na ako, pero pa ako susundo. Madami pa kapawan. Pili yan. Iabutin ako, alas 2. Wala pa magbabawal.
Sige baga, di ko may natin sila. Pero sa'yo.
sabi ko ng parang pagdating sa mga hindi ko ng ganita.
So, ano ba nila? Para katamang mo. Nano yung dada mabulat ka para ila?
Pagkakawal ko ni mama.
Ah. Sir Dwayne, you're getting the hang of it here and doing an awesome job. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Uncle Dwayne. Hello, good night. Good night to you. Good night. Mike, thank you, my friend, and it's a pleasure being a managing mod with you here. Yes, thank you, some Bobby. Hello from America, Sir Bobby from America. Hello.
A little bit market. Sarang sa musika. May hindi.
Cafe. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I just
Anong oras na naguli ang duwa sa gabi?
Daniel. Hi, Sir Daniel.
Chat ko na. Sabi ko, hain na kamo kayo. Si Mamay, sige na anak, wala ka uliliho. Nahanap na kamo. Sabi ni Linda. Kaya di ako sa CR. Tapos may sabi ngiti. Tapos sabi ni Mamay, sabi ko, mamaya daw sa CR. Sa CR. Sige din ni Mamay. Ko di nga, nahulat nila. Magdalawa si Linda sa CR. Sabi ni Mamay, maulan man talaga sa CR.
Come to Los Angeles, California and visit me. I will visit in USA next year with my hubby, Sir Bobby. Next year, my future hubby will go visit in US next year. Something like that. Ta-da-dang.
Si Adin tinanghali, din ang gising.
Pagpagod siya. Parang hindi pa siya nakarecover sa loob niya.
Gising nga ta sa mga ano.
Kaya kung diri man pala di ano sa yun, hindi siya nag-iinahan ka. Si Papay, ano Papay ba yung Papay? Parang hindi. Ang Papay ni Papay?
Ay, di ko na naabutan. Papay ni Papay.
Makap sa
Ay, oo, may nag-asawa pa pala. Nag-asawa ulit pala. Di ba sulo lang ito na bata sa mga?
Sulo lang silit-silit. Ang papay. Bata na dito.
Sigyaw. Talagang sigyaw.
Bata na dito itong nagdadaan.
Kasi kung si yan. Sino ang lola to si may gagay?
Si may atang naman, ang mamalipapay. Naabutan ko kayo sa
At ano lang ni Mamay, anabutan ko si Maysilin.
nabutan ko kasi may atang. Nabutin niya to. Yan, nakaingkod. Kalubihan. Si may gagay naman, ang hilig sa to. Nagbalayin dito ka mulete. Di ba may bulig? Pag-ahon mo, di ba may mga kalubihan? Nagbalay-balay yun sa lang sa'yo.
Si may gagay?
Pagkakato ko sa may linandag siya na kamote. Tapos kinuha yung papay ng video. Yun nga, ang kabay-abay ng si Intang.
Sino?
Si Intang. Kabay ng matulog.
Thank you, 50
Pag
people.
matulog na si Intang, yada ng lingkan na yun. Pero namatay ito si Tipong Tumay-Gagay. Sabi niya, Basyon, sunduan na si Mama yun, malakaw ako. Din ka malakaw, mainiton. Basta malakaw ako, sunduan si Mama yun. Pinundo ko man. Di pala, mamatay na siya. Nagpakargaan Mama yun din. Malibang isa pa sa kanyang trabaho. Pero umaga pa lang, sabi niya sa ako, malaba. Ang sagot ko, pagkadaon, laba. Tapos maglabas na. Narinig ko. Basta naglabas pa siya, nangarigas pa siya. Sabi niya, pag namatay siya, yari ko. Tapos pasuot mo na damit ha. Sabi mo, kamay mo.
Hi, Ivan.
Kaya ano na ba? May naman na sila ba yung nakaano.
Nakalaan.
Ha? May naman. Nakaharap talaga ako. Kaya pag
May isog pa ito. Pag na. Ano galing mo ito sa Panginoon?
happy daw. Makaraw-araw mo siya. Kaya pag halimbawa, dati umulit na may karistoryahan, direct ko rin sila may nakada. Ang umulit na yung papakaraw-araw sa mga. Kaya si mama rin ang naramdaman niya yung kanya. Nagtatago ito si mama. Pag nagplasing na si papa, nagtatago ito si mama. Ako silang pag-abantay ni papa. Pag sinabi ni mama na, may bato doon, di ba sa Karamay Terseng dati? May bato doon. Doon na po yung mama. Ako at this time.
Pero dapat kang taon na ako din nila ng bata na. Ako magka-explain na si
Okay lang, tiinis ang noon. Kumbaga, malalaman kayo na makatutuko. Hindi mo si Papa Ero ko. Matutuko. Kabubuan ng sabi, kabubuan.
Kaya nung nakaisa sa dito sa kasi nakanila ng matura nila ako.
Hindi. Kapag napabulod, masulo lang talaga siya. Di upod man niya si mama, kaya nauli siya. Kaya upod man kita ni mama, kaya upod man kami ni mama. Balik kami niya. Pero yun na. Upod niya, bayaran ba? Nauli yun.
Sure, hi.
Babaya. San ano lang, san sinili na ano. Reyok. Doon kami babayaan talaga. Doon kasi babayaan nila. Kaya naawatod siya sa simbahan baga. Naulit sila gapin. Saka naranasan mo sa kainutang.
Sabi ko nga, sabihan ko yun siya. Kung ano yung naranasan ko, parang siya. Iba ko mo ano, maski na
Alam ko na iba din niya kami. Kung nalagyan. Galit na sa lang. Kami na ako nila, kaya nagkaroon pakisip na ako. Ang gawa na magtawag, ito nagpasunay kayo makakay na ito na manok.
kasi nasabi ko nga nila sa takin, nagpasokay ko na sila sa amin, gagawin ko na sila sa lihin sa sabi ko, hindi ko na pagsabihan sa akin na ano, sabi ko,
Tapos nakapinawa ka.
hindi ko na pagsabihan sa akin, yan ako. Sabi ko, kaya na natin pira, ano, kaya kanili mo pwede pagsabihan sa akin.
Akan. Yung anak is mama. Nawasin ko sa
Kaya tagpiraan. Tagpiraan.
pinyata.
Ha? Ay ko din, nangarambagan kami. Para ang ngirit-ngirit ko sa tanong. Adili ko nila kaayuan sa iyo. Parang mga mayroon sila exclusive na tao. Mga very important people.
Pinyata yun.
Sabi niya sa ako, size. Kaya naka-discount sila.
Okay, pinyata.
Thank you, Salam. Turkish mean in the house. What it means? Markadubang.
Kanan yun.
Nakatin.
Big bulan. Ay, Jerome.
Pasayang mo si Jerome. Ako niya.
Instagram, no Instagram. I'm not active on Instagram. I'm too much busy on my YouTube, something like that. Too much busy in life, so I have no time on Instagram. Too much social media. You just focus on the one.
Oh, dahil na din. Manager mo.
Ay, gusto
Please, no.
Ano kung asikaso mo na si Ano na? Pag kumpugsin na, dili ko halata.
Ay,
Dili ko halata sa mga. Tahimik sila lang. Nakaupo siya doon.
salamat sa ayuda.
Ano saging? Ano ba?
Ano saging?
Under tali sa bulo.
Hindi pa yung mamak mo.
Hindi ka.
Bawang ko nito, naurikil yung kurara.
Sabi ka niya, Lombre, Lombre, sister. Susan sa Lombre, sister. Kaya di manaraw niya ang pangalan. Ay, ano ba na sa
Ano nagsasabi?
Hindi ko manaraw ang pangalan. Isa lang. Oh my God. Thank you so
Lumahaw ka
much.
na yan?
Lamaw. Oo. Sila ko ano. Ngayon na mahipon.
Wow. Apa yung mga talo?
Dito ba ipo dito? Mukha niyo mo. Tatlo ba?
Pagal ako mag-isuruda.
Ginagawa yun.
Yun ang sabi niya namin.
May alin sa balay, may lubi.
Paano ano? Baka kung hindi ka nakabit-bit lang.
Ha?
Hapon, hindi ka nakabit-bit lubi.
Sabi sa tatang isa, sirong sa lamisa, may lubi.
Sorry.
Oh, my love.
Kaya maraming ko.
Dili ka masalad. Nana.
Padaan si Diyos.
Masalad ka? Masalad ka?
Oh, para na.
Karay namin ito. Di ba yung ganda namin?
Siguro na po mo.
Kasi dyan ba ito yung pagkakas na. Okay. Kasi nagano
Kaya ang sinali kong dili na ito ko si Bimbol eh. Kasi pag alam sa natulog ko si Bimbol.
Papo ko baga ka na rin ulo. Sabi po kaway sa Jero, kaway sa di ba? Ito ka na, di mo pa po ko. Ako pa nang gat. Dari mo nila sa mga
Nagpasalang patid siya. Bagay mo. Mabuot siya sa mabuot. Pero pag nadala siya, hindi na siya nagtitingin. Pero po ano.
Bukok na anak ay dati sa
Sabo. Ano matrabaho ka lang hindi? Sabo na ka mo?
Pag ako kumatapos ako sa tubong. Dala ka na ang kampo, bes.
Pagod pa kami. Diba? Ako yung pagod kasi hindi rin sadya.
Sadya, ginana.
Sino ang birthday?
Para ni Mali, nagubay.
Si may Kayla. May Kay.
Dati dito nagpaparaluwas. Nagpaparaluwas na.
Ano may sila sa mga diri hindi luwasan?
Oh,
Ay, nabinagyan ni Jero. Si Jero man ang nagpalabas sa kanya.
Naluwas man yun. Bihira na.
Pili lang sa ng barkada.
nakagiro naman doon mga ano, pero ano. Kumbaga, ano. Kuya, nakalimutan ko na. Sige mo. Kailan may ano pa, may kapag pa.
Hello, Taiwan!
Kasi Jero,
Taiwan.
Pagayon pa na ni Jero.
Hello, Taiwan.
Hi!
Hello, Taiwan future sister. You need to relax and enjoy your vacation. Hello, ni Pio.
Kaya po mo kung mag-relax.
Eh! Ha?
Yes.
Nabuburing man ako.
She feel bored, that's why.
Sila man yan. Ano? Sila man.
Kaya sabihan ako siya, wala ka rin imuan.
Kasi agad di mo makaano, kaya nga, bola.
Sabi ni Mike, pag sa barangay, alis ko ka, kung na, wala ka marunong pala, pagbalik, pamaya mo na sa
Ay, oo ha. Sa ano, nakagat naman trabaho kay... Ano ba sa aga? 14. Ay, 13. Sa utro aga, mga patulan ng palakitan.
Tresin yan. Di ba tresin na yan?
Tresin niya.
Ay, sa aga na. Talaga tamang pabo.
Naman na oras ang
Sa
pala.
adam, sa adam.
Ano?
Adam.
Madaong.
Dapat chat ito na yan.
May bagay sa chat ko nung muna tayo kita.
Sila ini, chat dapat chat na niyo.
Paunihan pala, dapat chat na niyo na makatawa mo sa para makapit pala.
Para araw dapat kung nakakuha o hindi.
Saan bagay sa siya para dili kita mag-uwi pa kanto.
Ano yan ang sakayan ko?
Ano sa libong ka tayo siya pa? Gising pa siya? Kaya magtulog na.
Wala ko kami kaya mga gabi, mga alas 12 na.
Ano po siguro ko na nga rin.
Yan.
Bang talaga ako kami.
Hindi rin ngayon mag-iapon ng ako partner.
Ayan. Ba't wala ko na ilag?
Ang nakalaw kasi, lyric na siya.
Dito na.
Ang tuwis ko na.
Kaya habang mo mag-partner sa iba. Ito yung kanjeron.
Bless you, Lul.
Ha?
For Dwayne. Hello, Dwayne. Hello, my lovey Dabby. Handsome yummy.
Oh, si Jen nakatulog.
Ano? Di ba nandun sa balik siya? Kaya ko lang yung mami bago pumasok. Dapat kinang kape eh. Sabi niya.
Diba ito mo yan?
Nagtitinog ha?
Kaya kumatiyan pa na. Bakit siya?
Namahal ko ba?
Ano, inom niyo?
Kalab.
Kailangan ko mga ito na ka diyan. Dawin ka, dawin ka.
Oh. Anda ko sito.
Ano naman sa raman?
Pero man.
At kung ano nang pagkakaibas, ay, emperador. Hindi ka man doon. Fundador pala ito na yan.
Hindi man siya makulit sa ulit ba yan?
Emperador pala, nalain mo pala yun. Emperador pag muna ako, fundador. Emperador pala yun.
Hindi man makulog sa ulo. Sinanganan.
Ay, si Michael.
Kumusta ka ko no?
I'm fine. Ako Joe. Dining.
Crazy. Are you driving crazy of being safe? Yes.
Gusto makakakita kami nakainit. Walid na yun.
Hindi ka makabulo.
Pagod ako, turog ko matapa.
Parang di ka siya nagtutulog.
Ano maging kararo mo ng tempo, right?
Mga dapat.
Ako na.
Thank you for while. I need to end the live. I need to call my hubby Dabby. Thank you, Sir Dwayne, for joining. God bless you. Always stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you, 35 lurking and likes.
Ha? Kabong?
Sin o na.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Sir James. Thank you so much. I think maybe you has a secret girlfriend. Meron ka kuno secret girlfriend
Sabi na.
ni Mike. No secret girlfriend. Tamang hinala ka. Tamang hinala ka. Tama ang hinala mo. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir James. Sir Fred. Thank you, my lovey hubby.
Ang girlfriend mo, diri ko na i-imon.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Hindi nagkakanay.
Mga ano dito?